How to buy prepaid electricity online in Ghana using ECG app. Okay, first you have to know that it's available on both the iPhone and then the Android. Okay, and then for the Android, the phone have to have a version of 5.0 or above, and then for iPhone, it have to have 10.0 or higher. Okay, and then these are some of the phones that can use the ECG app. For Android, we have these types of phones: the Samsung, the Galaxy, the Hawaii, and so on. And then for iPhones, we have the SX, we have the SR, and then the 7 Plus. Okay, so all I have to do is just go to Play Store or the App Store and then type ECG and then select the ECG mobile app. When it comes, install it. Okay, so wait for it to finish install and then click on the open to open it. So let's open the app. This is how the app looks like. The first, they are going to ask you to enter your phone number. Enter the phone number you linked with your Ghana card, okay? And then click on logged in. They are going to send a verification code to this phone and then enter it here and then click on verify. So as you can see, we have installed the app successfully. When you look at the top right hand corner, we have the three dots. Just click on it, and over here, if you have any payment issues, you can report it. Okay, all I have to do is just click on prepaid payment issued or the postpaid payments issued, and then you can report what happened if you did not receive the credit. Okay, so this is how it is. Just put it inside the comments there, then you click on report this issue. Okay, they are going to get back to you. And the most important thing, over here you see the update details. Just click on it. So when you click on it, we are going to add our email address, then our Ghana card. Okay, so look down here, we have add email address, then you click on add email address. Okay, so all I have to do is just put in your email address here and then click on save. This is very important. Okay, the next thing that we are going to do is to click on verify Ghana card. So click on verify now. So when you click on verify now, the next thing I have to do is to just enter in your Ghana card number. Include a dash in the Ghana card number. Okay, then click on verify. Then you'll be verified. All you have to do is to just click on done. Well done. So now let's go back to the top corner and then see, you see that our Ghana card is being added successfully. Okay, when you look down here, we have the meters. I just want you to click on it. So over here, we are going to add our meter number. Okay, as you can see, add your meter to see the details. And then beside that, you also have the transactions as well. Just look at the transaction side also. When you click on it, all the payment that you have made in the previous will come here. Okay, we also have the wallet. It shows the MTN number you have added to it. Let's say you want to add another number. All that you have to do is just click on add a new mobile number. You can also add your bank as well. So all I have to do is just select the mobile number, type in the mobile number here. Then the next thing is to select the type of network. Okay, it being any of these. Okay, then you select it. So now that you know how to add a mobile number, then all I have to do is just click on save this wallet. Okay, the next thing that you have to do is the meters. Okay, just come to the meters and then add any of the meter that you are using, either postpaid or prepaid. I'm going to use the prepaid. Okay, all I have to do is just enter the meter number here. This is an example of a meter number. Okay, if you don't know it, this is how it looks like. Just enter it here and then click on verify, and it will be added just like this one. Okay, so now all I have to do is just click on pay bill. So when you click on pay bill, you'll be given an option to enter the amount. Okay, so the amount, I'm going to select 60 Ghana cedis for this tutorial, and then after that you have to click on pay bill. Okay, so just click on the pay bill. So when you click on the pay bill, it is going to ask you to select the mobile number that you want. Then you click on confirm. Okay, so after clicking on confirm, your details will come and they will ask you, is this correct? And if it is correct, then you click on yes, this is correct, and you will purchase your prepaid successfully. So if you have any issue, just report it. Thank you for watching this video, and then see you in my next video.